Hi, 5th grade. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are staying all caught up. If you're having any questions, make sure you're asking. I've been doing lots of Zoom calls, which is really exciting. Today we're going to have a little bit of a fun activity. First thing I hope you did was go on and watch the book, Picture Pie, being read by Ed Emberley. So today we're going to talk a little bit about some fractions in a fun way. So first thing I want to do is, we would be playing with these in class if you guys were here, but you're not, so you get to watch me do it instead. So the first thing I'm going to do, I have some plates here that I already have cut into different size pieces. Let me go ahead and get this adjusted. Sorry about that. So this one here I have, and I'm going to let this represent my whole. Obviously, this is one whole. A lot of this is going to be basic, but it really does help to see. Okay? Next I have a red. That red represents 1/2 of my whole. 2 halves make up my whole. Just visualizing this a little bit different than when we look at our fraction tiles. Next one I have is a blue part. The blue part makes up 1/4 of the total. Okay, 1/4 of the total. So 4 of these pieces would make up my whole. Also, 1/4 is 1/2 of 1/2. My last piece that I have for my plate fractions is 1/8. 1/8. Okay, 1/8 is 1/2 of 1/4. It would take 4/8 to equal 1/2. We know that 4/8 is equivalent to 1/2. We're getting super smart here. All right, so just looking at those fractions, that's really what we're going to look at today as we build our fraction turtles. All right, so I didn't leave myself an extra copy to make the turtles with you, but we're going to talk through it anyways. So you have 4 pieces of construction paper. You have a white, a red, a green, and a yellow. The first thing that you need to do is cut those circles out. Okay, so if you need to pause the video so you can get all 4 circles cut out, that would be lovely. All right, welcome back. So next thing I need you to do, kind of like my plates, we're going to cut your papers into parts. So your white is going to remain your one whole. Your red circle I'd like you to cut in half so that you'd have 2 halves. Your green paper I'd like you to cut into 4ths. And your yellow paper I'd like you to cut into 8ths. Okay, make sure that you're folding so that you have some pretty accurate parts. Okay, one more time for that visual. My whole. Okay, if I folded it in half, I could get my 2 halves. If I folded that in half again, I would get my 4ths. If I folded that 4th in half, I'd end up with my 8ths. Okay? So if you need to pause the video here so that you can get all your pieces cut, go ahead and do that. All right, now you should have all of your paper circles cut into your parts. You can go ahead if you want and you can label these. I'd label this as 1 whole, label this as 1/2, okay, 1/4, and 1/8. You can go ahead and label those parts if you would like. Then we're going to do just a little bit, and looking here, we can do so many different things. We can take our 2 1/4, and we can say that's the same as 1/2. Okay. We can also say, well, how much is a 4th and another 8th? Well, how many 8ths would that be? Remember, this is 2 8ths plus another 8 gives me 3 8ths. It takes 1 more 8th to equal that half. So take a little bit of time, do some exploring, really think about how we can make those halves, how we can make our different fractions as we go. We could also look at what are some ways that I could make 3/4 of the whole. What other ways could I make 3/4 of the whole? Well, if I wanted 3/4 of the whole, I could take 1/4 plus another 1/4 plus this other 1/4. Or I could take 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 2/8. All right, so spend just a little bit of time with those. Once you guys are done with that, you'll be ready to start building your turtles. All right, so now you're going to remember, this is the bottom. This is your one hole. This is the base of your turtle. I know mine's not white, but yours will be. Okay, so now you're going to construct a turtle shell by covering one full circle with your other colorful paper fraction pieces. You must use fractions with different denominators, okay? So you cannot make a turtle shell that looks like this. That's too boring for Miss Anderson. No way. Okay, so you have to have parts that have different denominators. So once you get your fraction pieces in place, you can tape them or glue them down to your white circle base. All right, so let's say I do a turtle shell that looks something like this. Again, your colors are going to be different. That's okay. All right, so let's say that that's how I decided to do my turtle shell. So I have a half here, a fourth here, and my 2/8 here. All right? Then, one thing I forgot to tell you, and I'm sorry, is your extra paper from your circles, you need that extra paper. Also, you're going to find in your packets a sheet of paper that has photocopies of some rhombus and a square and a triangle, right? I think that's what I photocopied. Okay, so then you can take, let's say you want to take your green leftover paper from your circle, you can put those pattern blocks on there and cut them out so that they are in color. I have too many things on my desk. So, just some examples. If you trace those, you could make a green triangle for a tail. So I'll write that for you here. So green triangle would equal a tail. You could do the 2 blue rhombi to make legs. So you could go rhombi. Remember, that's plural for your rhombus. We could do those in blue for your legs. And then if you take an orange square plus a green triangle, you can make a pentagon head for your turtle. Okay, so you can take a green triangle, make a little tail, the blue rhombi pieces to make some legs. If you take an orange square and a green triangle, you can get a pentagon head, and I'll show you a picture here in just a second. Once your turtles are completed, I would like you to write an equation that matches your pieces. So, for example, my equation would be 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. Okay? And then I also want you to make sure you take a picture of your finished turtles and post them on Buzz so we can have a copy of your finished one. Here's an example. Actually, I'll give it to you in color. Make it a little bit more exciting. Here he is. Dun, 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 dun. Just an example. Yours can be totally different as far as the way that your fraction pieces go, but that's something like what your fraction turtle will look like when you are finished. All right. Can't wait to see your finished turtles. Thanks, guys.